Okay, so I have an ESP32 and I was actually working with Visual Studio Code MicroPython. So I was using MicroPython in Visual Studio Code, and now I will show you how I have did this. This is a simple LED blinking circuit, but in this video I will share you the process of how I have made this thing. Okay, so first let me disconnect this ESP32 and let me do it from the scratch. So first of all, open this VS Code. Okay, so first of all, open this VScode, and then you need to install this PyMakr. Okay, so you need to install this PyMakr extension in the VS Studio Code, and there is a lot of video in YouTube that how you can do this. It's actually the tedious process actually to install many things actually. So you need to take the help of ChatGPT and YouTube tutorial. Okay, so inside this PyMakr you can see that I can create a project. You see, if you create click here plus sign, you can create a project. So I have created a project whose name is empty project 2, and if I go here explorer, you can see that inside this, okay, after a long time, actually I am doing this after a long time, so my folder's name is after a long time, and inside this after a long time folder I have these three. One is main.py, you can see this is the main.py, and another is pymaker.configuration, and this is actually empty project 2, the name of my project, and another is boot.py. But remember, in the main.py I need to upload my code, so I have to write my code inside this main.py. And you can create some another Python files. Like you see, I have created this other python.py here by clicking simply just new file. Okay, so now this is time to upload this main.py into my ESP32. So how I can do this? So first of all, I have to connect this thing. Okay, so I have connected this thing. Now let's go to PyMakr extension, and in the PyMakr extension, be sure that you have to stop script first, or you can't. Okay, first of all you have to connect this, right? So to connect this thing, just press here connect device. So connect device. Now my ESP32 is connected with the serial monitor. You can see that it is connected with the COM6, is connected with the serial port COM6. Okay, whatever. So now I have to upload this code to my ESP32, and to do this, first I have to ensure that this is stop script. So you have to stop the script or you can't upload the code. Okay, so now go here, you can see sync project to device. Now if you click here, you can see that now LED, thus this project is uploaded to the ESP32, but you have to click here the reset button. Okay, so now you can see that the code has been successfully uploaded to the ESP32, and this LED is blinking. And you see, you can also do something like you have a print, you have here print duty, so you can print the thing at the terminal. So how to open this terminal, let me show you that. So how to open this terminal? So you have to go to the PyMakr extension, and then you see here one create terminal. So if you click here on the create terminal, you will see that one terminal has been opened here, and whatever you print here, print duty, that will appear in the terminal. Okay, so now I have written a new Python file here. You see inside the main.py I have a new Python file here, but I want to upload this in the ESP32. So how I can do this? So first I need to stop. So let's stop the script. So now this, you see, this thing has been stopped working, and the terminal has been jammed. Okay, so now what I will do, you can see that I have two files here. One is main.py and another is other.py. So inside this other.py I have written a function. The function's name is myfunc, my function, and that will return hello. Okay, so now inside the main.py I have to call that from other means this Python file actually. So from other I have import that my function, and then I have stored that my functions return value hello and print that here. Okay, so how I will upload this thing to the ESP32? Be sure that you have stop script here and then sync project to device. Okay, okay, let me do this thing again. Okay, so if I uh, uh, click here sync project to device, you can see what happens here. So this is the sign that the code is uploading to the ESP32, and then we have to click here on the reset button. Okay, and now let's see what happens. Let me go to the terminal, and you see hello, 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 because you can see that inside this while though I am printing this hello, actually this s, I am printing this s, the return value of my function, and you know that this function is returning hello. Okay, so this is the code, simple code actually.